Among the most transformative technologies, artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a game changer, revolutionizing the way companies operate. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can streamline operations, optimize decision-making, and boost productivity like never before. Automation with AI has the potential to enhance various aspects of a business, from customer service and marketing to supply chain management and data analysis. In this video, we will explore how you can automate your business using AI, unlocking its full potential and embracing the future of efficiency. 1. Identifying automation opportunities. Unlocking efficiency through AI. Embracing automation powered by AI is a transformative step towards enhancing the efficiency of your business. The first crucial task is to identify the specific processes that hold the potential for improvement and streamlining through automation. This requires conducting a comprehensive assessment of your current business operations to pinpoint areas that are particularly burdensome, repetitive, time-consuming, or prone to human errors. Start by analyzing the day-to-day tasks performed by your workforce and scrutinize those that can be optimized using AI technology. For instance, data entry is a laborious process that is susceptible to human errors, making it an ideal candidate for automation. Similarly, customer support often involves handling repetitive inquiries, and implementing AI-powered chatbots can streamline this aspect of your business. Inventory management is another area that can significantly benefit from AI automation. Machine learning algorithms can analyze historical sales data, market trends, and other variables to accurately predict demand, helping you optimize your inventory levels and avoid costly overstocking or stockouts. Financial reporting is a crucial but time-consuming aspect of any business. AI-powered tools can analyze financial data quickly and accurately, generating insightful reports and providing you with valuable financial insights, enabling better decision-making and strategic planning. 2. Implementing chatbots and virtual assistants. Elevating customer service with AI. In the digital age, customer service is paramount to building a loyal customer base. AI offers an exceptional opportunity to elevate customer service by implementing chatbots and virtual assistants on your website or communication platforms. The primary advantage of using chatbots and virtual assistants is their availability round the clock. Customers no longer have to wait for office hours to seek assistance. Instead, they can receive instant support at any time of the day, fostering better customer satisfaction. AI-powered chatbots excel at handling routine and frequently asked questions. They can quickly respond to customer inquiries, providing accurate and consistent answers. This capability not only saves time for your human support team, but also ensures that customers receive prompt assistance. Moreover, chatbots are continuously learning from customer interactions, improving their responses over time. This leads to a more personalized customer experience, as the chatbot can adapt to individual preferences and behaviors. Virtual assistants take this a step further by being able to guide users through more complex processes. For example, they can help customers make informed purchasing decisions by offering product recommendations based on their preferences and past interactions. By freeing up your human support team from dealing with routine queries, they can focus on addressing more complex issues and providing personalized support, further enhancing the overall customer experience. 3. Personalized marketing campaigns. Forging stronger connections with AI. In the fiercely competitive business landscape, marketing plays a pivotal role in capturing and retaining customers. With the power of AI, businesses can take their marketing efforts to new heights by delivering highly personalized campaigns that resonate with individual customers. AI's machine learning algorithms are at the heart of this transformation. By analyzing vast amounts of customer data, AI can discern intricate patterns in customer preferences, behaviors, and buying patterns. This comprehensive understanding of each customer allows businesses to segment their target audience more effectively and deliver tailored promotions and recommendations to specific groups. Personalized marketing campaigns yield a plethora of benefits for businesses. Firstly, customers feel a deeper connection with the brand when they receive content and offers that align with their interests and needs. This increased relevance leads to heightened customer satisfaction, ultimately fostering loyalty and encouraging repeat purchases. Secondly, the precision of personalized marketing translates into higher conversion rates. When customers encounter marketing materials that directly address their pain points or desires, they are more likely to engage with the content and take desired actions, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service. Furthermore, AI-driven personalization also plays a significant role in reducing ad fatigue. By customizing the advertisements customers see, businesses can avoid bombarding them with irrelevant content, thereby ensuring that marketing efforts remain impactful and well-received. As AI continues to refine its understanding of customers through ongoing data analysis, the level of personalization will only improve, enabling businesses to foster stronger and more meaningful connections with their customer base. 4. Streamlining supply chain management. Navigating efficiency with AI. The success of any business heavily relies on the efficient management of its supply chain. AI emerges as a game changer in this domain, offering a myriad of tools and techniques to streamline supply chain operations. By analyzing historical sales data, AI algorithms can make accurate demand forecasts. Integrating other factors like weather patterns, seasonal trends, and market dynamics further enhances the precision of these predictions. Optimized inventory management leads to several benefits for businesses. Firstly, it helps prevent overstocking, reducing the costs associated with excess inventory and the risk of perishable goods expiring. Secondly, it minimizes the occurrence of stockouts, ensuring that products are available when customers demand them, thereby avoiding lost sales and dissatisfied customers. 5. Enhancing decision-making with data analytics is a pivotal aspect of harnessing the full potential of modern businesses. Data serves as the lifeblood, fueling strategic choices and guiding organizations towards success. With the power of AI-driven data analytics, businesses can unearth hidden gems of knowledge from the vast troves of information they possess. AI's ability to process immense amounts of data allows it to identify patterns, trends, and critical insights that might elude human analysts. The real strength of data analytics lies in its capacity to provide invaluable insights across multiple facets of a business. From marketing and sales to finance and operations, AI-driven data analytics empowers decision-makers with a wealth of information. By examining customer behaviors and preferences, businesses can optimize marketing strategies, tailoring campaigns to specific target segments for better engagement and conversion rates. Sales teams can identify new opportunities and trends, honing their efforts for maximum effectiveness. Financial decisions can be informed by comprehensive data analysis, mitigating risks, and uncovering avenues for growth. Finally, AI integration is essential for companies striving to thrive in the digital age. By automating tasks, improving customer experiences, and enhancing decision-making, AI empowers businesses to be more efficient and innovative. Embracing AI-driven automation reduces costs and opens up new growth opportunities. However, thoughtful AI implementation is crucial, with investments in robust systems and proper training.
Human involvement should complement automation, as creativity and problem-solving remain vital for success. Embrace AI to revolutionize your business and pave the way for unprecedented efficiency and growth. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe.